slumber party going!
This is not just a slumber party.
Oh, this is the delightful!
This is
Girls' Night In!
And nothing can stop it. Well, Blackfire might stop it.
Anyone else up for a fight?
Or just change it to
Girls' Night Out!
This is gonna get intense. Don't miss a new Teen Titans Go, the 6th Titan, all summer long, tonight at 6. Followed by the new show, Mau Mau, Heroes of Pure Heart, on your Cartoon Network.
Coming up next, it's a new DC Superhero Girls.
Finally, you can play Fortnite in real life with the new Nerf Fortnite SPL Blaster. You can get stealthy with the 3-dart internal clip, and the detachable barrel means you can blast 2 ways. The new Nerf Fortnite SPL Blaster, each sold separately.
Well, it finally happened, Zachary. Somebody burned down my she shed.
The she shed was struck by lightning.
Is my she shed covered by State Farm?
Your she shed's covered, Cheryl.
That's wonderful news.
Home insurance trusted by more people than any other. State Farm.
Hey, Kool-Aid Man, do you ever get dizzy?
Yeah! More fun and half the sugar of leading regular sodas. Kool-Aid Jammers.
Oh, yeah!
Here at Sketcher Shoe Labs, we take comfort seriously. Our scientists constantly experiment to discover the squishiest and comfiest things for your feet. We all agree that it's Skechers Memory Foam for kids. Kid tested, kid approved.
Booking.com offers free cancellations, so bookers can book now and as their boss later. Free cancellations. How good is that? Be a booker at Booking.com.
Welcome to Movie Star Planet, home of the biggest stars. Here you can shop your heart out for the newest fashions. Be cool and glamorous and shine like the star you are. Give your friends and fans your autograph. Give them gifts and be a star on MovieStarPlanet.com. Parents must be involved during sign-up. Payment is necessary for some activities.
At Chuck E. Cheese headquarters, kids make the rules. Have fun! That's why we invented All You Can Play. Grown-ups pick the time. You can play all the games you want, only at Chuck E. Cheese.
Okay, cue the moonlight! Makeup! Now the fog. When I yell action, you two kiss!
Say what?
Nope, not happening, dude.
Yep, I'm out.
All right. Bring in the kissing doubles!
You can make movies at goldfishfun.com. Ask your parents' permission.
The snack that smiles back, Goldfish.
Hold my pouch.
Trust us. Us kids are ready to take things into our own hands. Don't think so? Hold my pouch.
Beam 'em up, Badger Clubs.
Mau Mau, Heroes of Pure Heart. New show starts tonight after a new Teen Titans Go at 6 on your Cartoon Network.
Let's get this slumber party going!
This is not just a slumber party.
Oh, this is the delightful!
This is
Girls' Night In!
and nothing can stop it. Well, Blackfire might stop it.
Anyone else up for a fight?
Or just change it to
Girls' Night Out!
This is gonna get intense. Don't miss a new Teen Titans Go, the 6th Titan, all summer long, tonight at 6. Followed by the new show, Mau Mau, Heroes of Pure Heart, on your Cartoon Network.
Coming up next, it's Teen Titans Go.
New Pop-Tarts Crisps have frosting and delicious filling. Best thing ever. Better than 100 birthday presents? Do they have frosting and delicious filling? I don't think so. Pop-Tarts are still better. Welcome to Movie Star Planet, a place where you can always see what your friends are doing. You can see their latest posts and tell them what you think. You can create your own amazing style and show it off. Chat, have fun, and be a star on MovieStarPlanet.com. Parents must be involved in sign-up. Payment is necessary for some activities.
Ready to go back to school?
No.
Oh, yes. No, yes, I am. Yes.
On August 9th, there's still time for adventure.
We're gonna have so much fun.
Dora and the Lost City of Gold. Rated PG.
Fruit Loops, a delicious part of this complete breakfast.
The Real. Iconic luxury items from Louis Vuitton, Hermes, Gucci, Rolex, and hundreds more at up to 90% off retail. All authenticated by our experts. Shop luxury the sustainable way. Only at The Real. Shop now and get 20% off on select items with the code REAL.
Butch was coming on the noon train, looking for revenge. Billy was sheriff now. Gamefly is my town. We all know Billy's played over 9,000 games with Gamefly. Butch wasn't much for words, but he'd come to settle the score.
You can go to Gamefly.com and choose from over 9,000 titles with free shipping and no late fees. You can start your 30-day free trial at Gamefly.com. Product shown rated E for everyone. Must be 18 years or older to order.
Nobody beats Billy, because he has Gamefly. Wow. Nice work. Hey, Ellie.
Hey, Marshall.
Hey, kid.
Oh.
Come here. What? Huh?
No way.
A football.
Football.
Whoa. Go long.
Yes, way to go. You have the power to change things. Your purchase of Friction pens helps erase bullying. Write smooth, erase clean, make the world a kinder place. Go Friction and go new fine liners.
At Chuck E. Cheese headquarters, kids make the rules. Have fun! That's why we invented All You Can Play. Grown-ups pick the time. You can play all the games you want, only at Chuck E. Cheese.
Get your Cartoon Network arcade app ready, because during this episode of Teen Titans Go, you can collect a new figure, then unleash your full collection in the new game Dodge Squad. Titans Go! Download the Cartoon Network arcade app for free and join the Collect-a-thon.